Runway AI Video Generator, what can you really do for free? Today we are going to check what you can actually do with the free plan in Runway AI. According to the website, you get 125 credits for free. So let's test what we can create using those credits. First, we need to sign up. I click sign up for free. You can register with email, Google, Apple account, or even continue as a guest. I choose Google, select my account, and click continue. Here we can enter a referral code. It says that if you purchase 2 months of any plan, you and your friend will each get 1,000 free credits. That's nice. Let me know with the comment if you want 1,000 free credits. I can send you my code if I decide to buy a paid plan. For now, I click skip. Let's see if we can come back to this later. Welcome to Runway. I click continue. What are you making? I create films and short videos. Continue. How do you prefer to create? Show me what's possible. Upgrade to Pro? Not yet, thank you. Okay, this is the dashboard. We have 125 credits. At the top, my sessions, nothing here yet. Then tools, image, video, and audio. Apps, where you choose what you want to create. Also chat, workflow, and live. Let's try workflow, text to image. There is Nano Banana Pro, but to use it we need to upgrade. But we are here to check what we can do for free. So let's go to apps. First, I create an image. Prompt, a cat sitting on a windsill during a rainy morning. Click generate. Okay, it used 20 credits. Let's wait for the result. After about 20 seconds we have the image, and honestly, it looks very good. Let's create a video. I will use the image I just created. Double click and we have it loaded. Now prompt and settings. I change the ratio to 9:16. I need to crop the image. Let's do that. I change the video length to 10 seconds. There are more AI video models available, but for free we only have Gen 4 Turbo and Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. Okay, I click generate and wait. It took less than 2 minutes and here is the final result. The result is very nice. The text inside the video looks a bit weird, but maybe that actually makes it better. Overall, in my opinion, the final effect is great, and I still have 55 credits left. Well, that's it for today. Please leave a comment, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.